What's up guys, welcome back to the Karuna film. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook the simple chow mein. So I'm going to use this one. So I'm cooking here for 12 minutes. So these are the vegetables I'm going to use it. I have here the lettuce, I don't know what you call this one, the lettuce, and the mushroom, carrot, onion, and some here green beans, carrot, and a mixed vegetable. Okay, I'm going to show you guys one by one. So I'm going to put here cold water, repeat it 2 times. The purpose of I'm putting here cold water is to get hotter the noodle. So that's why I'm going to do that twice. The noodle is already cooked, so I'm going to drain here. All right, perfect. It's very simple, and I can cook the chow mein in 15 minutes. So I'm going to use the oil spray. So this is the oil basically. It's coming. Okay, I'm going to put the spray. Alright, that's it. Now I can cook it. That's it. Alright, I'm going to put the oil here. All right, garlic and ginger. Do not put the salt. So after that, I'm gonna put. You see here. I'm gonna put onion. So today I'm going to cook the vegetable chow mein, no meat. Now I'm gonna put the carrot, and I'm gonna put this. Now I'm gonna put some salt. I'm gonna put 3, so it depends on how much you wanna cook the chow mein. All right. The lettuce and mushroom. You can put here as many kinds of the vegetable as you can put, no problem. So I'm going to cook it for another 5 minutes with low heat. So now vegetables are already cooked, you see. So now I'm going to put here oyster sauce. This gives you a lot of taste. The oyster sauce is not the MSG like that. The soy sauce is not like that. So this is a very good taste. So actually this become brown sauce. So there are 2 ways to cook the chow mein. One with the white sauce, one with the brown sauce. So I'm going to cook with the brown sauce. Alright. So vegetables are already cooked, noodles are already cooked. So now what I'm going to do is I just want to put the noodles. Here you go. Noodles already cooked, vegetables already cooked. That's it guys. Just warm it up. You're gonna make sure mix it well and cook it for like 5 minutes. You don't need to cook actually, you just need to warm up and mix it well. And ready to serve. That is it guys. Okay guys, now ready to serve. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up, leave the comment below. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.